Ay, huwag mo hawakan, beautiful. Hindi ka na beautiful. Nag-makeup yan, tinan mo ng naro eh, oh. Ganyan, eyebrow tan, ano. Ay! Uy! Ang pinam yan, naro, oh. May uso ka na. Maliit na yung dress mo sa'yo. Bigyan mo na kay Samsam. Oh, nagkapiya. Malamig, imsili ka na.
What's that?
Kabayan mo that.
Paano ito pigaw umtip naro?
Pala mo po. Alam mo yan po sa ano, laro ko ay nang may nagpitin. Alam mo yan ha. Bayo. Alam mo yun, so after 3 minutes balik ko.
Apoy.
Ako po.
Hara ko niya po. Nung naluta na. Bisa aliyo na kob.
Depende no, kasi inalo ba yan tapos 20 minutes. Well, ano pa? Ako minta.
Doon ka na sa loob, malamig, Inday.
No.
Hinawakan niya pa yung dust. Paano yung dimples mo saan? Ay, bakit meron ka ng dimples
Kasi
dyan?
kaya mo, maininin na rin.
Balik?
Kaya maininin. Yan.
Ay, saan ang dimple mo? Wow! Paano yung sabi mo kay tayo? Yung ganun ay? Yung kamay mo? Arte. Arte mo, girl. Malamig na dito. Hagma ako. Hagma ako. Malamig. Hagma ako't malamig.
Can I get my scooter?
Hindi na. Naligo ka na. I'm going up, up, up. I'm gonna go then. Gusto mo yan, basa? Gusto mo yan?
What's that then?
Yung ano?
Chicken?
Chicken, pork, belly, pork, liempo.
What kind of pork?
Pork nga.
Sweet pork.
No. Gusto mo yan? Oh, masarap yan. Luto ni Daddy.
Do you know I never eat pork?
Ano? I never eat pork. Tama pala.
I know it's nasty. Is pork a new food in our place?
No.
No, is it new when we eat it?
No. That's not new. That's old. What's that?
It's my birthday.
You have a new, sister in my
Mommy.
tummy. I have my baby.
Mommy, when I'm 7,
Ah,
can we go to mall and I can buy whatever, anything I want?
of course. I'm going up, up, up. You sing, baby. You sing. Okay, you sing. You sing.
You're gonna record it. Gonna record it. That was version.
One more.
We're going up, 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 down, mama.
And then you sing and dance.
I don't know no dance.
Okay, you just move your body then. What's your other song? What is your other song? Huh? Hamsi.
Mommy, why we never put scary decorations in our house?
No.
Why? It's going to take so long to get it off. Mommy, it's okay. You can just do the hard work. Mommy, so please. If you don't get it, I'm going to put my. And then, if you don't do it, I'm going to put it.
Igano ba kunin ko yung nilalabang ko?
I'm going to get and then put it.
Ay ha, dyan lang yan ha. Yan lang yan. Oh, mahulog yung cellphone ko ha. Yan lang.
Okay.
Kama na, baka, ano yun daddy. Ha, yan ka lang. Ikaw ang mag-ato. Tignan ko yung nilalabang.
Grabe ka, I love you. Mas kita ano ka mami, maghugas ka lang.
Okay.
Mas maka. Paano yan, mahulog pa yan.
Minutes until admin will be steering up.
Ginawa mo?
What is that?
Punta dito yung usok. May usok na yung hair ko. Nandaro ko.
Gimme.
Mamaya pag ano ko.
Beep, beep, beep.
Maibig ka.
I want to grab.
No.
I'm picking up.
Mahulog pa yan.
Why you Meow!
Ito pinapakain niya oh. Mia, pupunta siya sa iyo. Wala kayo pakain. Gimme. Don't touch that. No. Leave it there. Malagyan na yung ano mo. Yung bracelet mo.
No, I know. Oh, baby, can.
ka na. Hindi ka dito.
Ganun yung dalaga ko ah. Mag-flashlight ah.
Oh my god.
Grabe ka talaga. Grabe talaga.
Our plants. Done. Oh. I have to fix it.
Wah!
Hindi na pa ito, itla mo.
Ha?
Eh, maata, bigo ka kaya, your prime minister na ka.
Oh, yes, eh. Sige.
Lower ko.
Tapos pa ako yun. Yata pa uli ako.
Into the
Actually, matayin na.
Okay, okay. We're back. I didn't. Baby, okay. Blurry. Kibben.